Propagation of sound. We know that sound is produced by vibrating objects. The matter or substance through which sound is transmitted is called a medium. It can be solid, liquid, or gas. Sound moves through a medium which is air, from point of generator to listener. When an object, which is speaker, vibrates, it sets the particles of the medium, here it is air, around it vibrating. Here, a particle of the medium, in contact with the vibrating object, is first displaced from its equilibrium position, and then exerts a force on the adjacent particle. And due to this force, the adjacent particle gets displaced from its position of rest, and it exerts a force on its adjacent particle. Note that, after displacing the adjacent particle, the first particle comes back to its original position. This process continues in the medium till the sound reaches our ear. Students, please note. Sound created in medium travels through the medium and not the particles of the medium. Thus, a wave is a disturbance that moves through a medium when the particles of the medium set neighboring particles into motion. They in turn produce similar motion in others. During the propagation of sound, the particles of medium do not move carried forward. Sound waves are characterized by the motion of particles in the medium and are called mechanical waves. Since air is the most common medium through which sound travels, we try to understand more clearly how sound travels in air. Here, we again take a vibrating object, tuning fork. Here, when the vibrating object moves forward, it pushes and compresses the air in front of it, creating a region of high pressure. This region is called a compression. This compression starts to move away from the vibrating object. When the vibrating object moves backwards, it creates a region of low pressure, called rarefaction. As the object moves back and forth rapidly, a series of compressions and rarefactions is created in the air. These make the sound wave that propagates through the medium. Region of pressure. Compression is the region of high pressure. Rarefaction is the region of low pressure. Pressure is related to the number of particles of a medium in a given volume. More density of the particles in the medium gives more pressure and vice versa. Thus, propagation of sound can be visualized as propagation of density variations or pressure variations in the medium.